up guys? In my last video we talked about how reality is created. In this video we'll talk about how you can change it. So let's get into it, bro. Conditioning is what made us behave a certain way in the world and give us a certain results, whether good or bad, according to that conditioning. To changing, we have to understand that this conditioning is not who we are, and we don't need to identify with it. By understanding this, we're opening a world of possibilities, a world where anything is possible. Now you know, don't identify with it. Become the observer of your thoughts and emotions. Understand that you are not them, they're simply your conditioning. Observing them, you realize that you're something more than that. You are the observer, the being capable of achieving what you desire. This way, you take away its power, regain control, and empower yourself. Now that you know this, take action to change whatever you want. This is what will truly make the difference. Let's take an example. If you're afraid to talk to someone, it's an easy one to understand. Change your thoughts. If you think they all reject you, change what you tell yourself. Remember, all of this is just part of your conditioning. You can know what you think about the world and yourself, changing constantly and confirm it through your behavior. Take the right action you want to have in certain situations. That way you'll be aligning with your thoughts. Go and approach the person you want to talk to. Change your verbal language, what you say about the world and yourself. Adjust your physiology and this will shift your mood. Go and take action. Life is simple and lacks meaning. All the value is what give it. We need to know that we're capable of achieving anything. Everything you tell yourself, the story you make cut in your head, are part of that conditioning. But you are not that. You're a being free of fears and insecurities, and the reality you perceive is based on what you believe, but that's not real. It can be whatever you want to believe, and to change it, prove it to yourself through actions. Your thoughts will help you. Your verbal language, your affirmations, meditations, your physiology, but nothing will work if you don't confirm it through your behavior with real proof of what you want to believe. You can tell yourself, like, I'm capable to talk to them and I'm not afraid. But if you never take action and approach them, you never believe what you want to. You might say you're a very patient person, but when you're in a tough situation, if you get upset instead of behaving appropriately, you'll be creating an unfavorable reality. If you want to create the reality you desire, you'll have to confirm it through the right behavior. It won't help to tell yourself you're capable of facing things calmly if when something happens, you don't act that way. That way, you'll never change your conditioning. With real confirmations, you'll be reprogramming your conditioning, and therefore your thoughts and emotions will change. You'll be creating a different reality, and later when you're in automatic mode, you realize you're experiencing different realities because it's become your way of being. Conditioning will lead you to a certain destiny, and if you're not aware of it, it could lead you to a destination you didn't choose. That's why the most important thing and the first step we need to take is to become aware and then reprogram it, as I explained. So go and change the reality you're experiencing right now. Become the creator of your reality. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.